Oh, front tire. Whew. Yeah, got my money's worth out of that, baby. No bullshit. Whew. Other one about to come off in a minute. If it ain't come off already. Yeah, that's both of them right here. That's both of them right here. Done. Whew. You tread though. Let's go. You already know. Yeah, fresh rubber. Good all the way around, baby. Fresh. Let's go. You already know. Yeah. We good. No leaks. Everything hooked up. I got everything zip tied nice and tight. So power steering should be wavy, man. Like, it should be no problems. I put an extra piece of hose around the actual piping. Like you can see, I cut a hose here, cut the hose there, but this part right here in the middle where you see those two little metal joints, that's where I actually cut the piping for the power steering, because I don't know, like the shit had the leak and it was like, let me just put a hose joint in there. That'll work way better. Don't have to worry about it anymore. Got 2 clamps. We good. Let's go. Yeah, right there. Alright team, just to keep y'all in the loop right quick, got both joints, man. I needed to do my rear shock mounts. Other shits was done. So just finished putting the new ones on, about to drop the install on them right now. Something right quick, just wanted to keep y'all in the loop. You already know I stay on that I.G type shit. Safety first, but always stay locked and loaded, baby. Let's go. Alright team, so alternator out, but funny shit is, this shit say it's supposed to be new. I had it plugged up, the shit was working for like 15-20 minutes, and then that shit blew on the kids. So you already know I'm sick. Oh, got mad stuff down there. But yeah, team, so everything else wavy, gravy, but need to send this shit back, see what's shaking. Then I upgraded too. Instead of getting the 110, I went with the 120, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit more ampage to hold me down, because technically with the new engine, the 18s and up, they got 130 amp alternator. I was thinking about getting that shit, but that might be too much. So I'm gonna just replace this. We're gonna get it in, see what's shaking, team. You already know, it's your boy. Let's get it, man. All right, team, back in business. Alternator look like it's running right. I'm getting the right reading, 14.8. Shit ain't doing no dumb shit. I'm getting a little smoke from the coolant that was dripping. But other than that, we are in business, team. Late night, get right. You already know, baby. Go jump start. You know. So we back in here, baby. We just gonna let it run. Nothing crazy. Try and get the air out the system. We'll take this shit for a drive in a minute, man. See if I can't give y'all that footage. See what's up. But whoo, it feels so good to hear this bitch running again, Mo. Oh my goodness. A week off? Tragedy. Agony. We in here though. New Alti. Get this air up out the system. Y'all already know.